Bloom's taxonomy is a framework developed by Benjamin Bloom that clarifies different levels of thinking and learning. It helps teachers design lessons, activities, and assessment that guide students from basic knowledge to more complex and higher order thinking skills. So Bloom's taxonomy organized learning into hierarchy of cognitive skills. It begins with simple thinking processes like remembering information and gradually move to deeper levels such as understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating ideas, and finally creating something new. The first level is remember. At this stage, students recall facts, definitions, or basic informations they have previously learned. Examples include listing key terms, identifying historical events, or defining important concepts discussed during the lessons. The understand level focuses on comprehension. Students explain ideas using their own words, summarize information, or describe concepts. This level ensures learners do not just memorize facts but truly understand the meaning behind the lesson. At the apply level, students use what they learned in practical situation. They solve problems, perform tasks, or demonstrate procedures. This stage shows that students can transfer knowledge from the classroom to real life situations. The analyze level involves breaking information into smaller parts to understand relationships. Students compare ideas, identify patterns, and examine causes and effects. This skill helps learners see how different concepts connect within a topic. Next, we have the evaluate. Evaluate means making judgment based on evidence or criteria. Students may critique arguments, defend their opinions, or justify decisions. This level strengthens reasoning skills and encourages learners to think critically about the information. Next is create. Create is the highest level of Bloom's taxonomy. Students use their knowledge and skills to produce something new. They might design projects, develop solutions to problems, or present original ideas that combine what they have learned. So, Bloom's taxonomy helps teachers design lessons that move beyond memorization. It encourages students to analyze information, evaluate ideas, and create new outputs. This approach promotes deeper understanding and develop critical thinking skills. In conclusion, Bloom's taxonomy provides a clear guide for structuring learning objectives and activities. By progressing through these levels of thinking, teachers can help students gain deeper understanding and become more thoughtful, analytical, and creative learners.